Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off auto restart on Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, auto restart settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Auto Restart. You'll see a few options pop up. Don't worry about the ones related to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You want to select the one that simply says Auto Restart. It might also be under Device Care or Battery and Device Care, depending on your phone model and software version. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Auto Restart. When you're inside, tap on Auto Restart to access your options. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see two main options. Restart when needed. This allows your phone to automatically restart if it detects performance issues or needs to optimize itself, like when apps are crashing or things are lagging. Restart on schedule. This lets you manually schedule restarts on specific days and times, like at 3 a.m. on Sundays when you're likely not using the phone. To turn them on, just tap the switch next to each option. If it's blue, that means it's enabled. To turn them off, simply tap the switches again so they turn gray. This disables auto restart either entirely or for the option you don't want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.